This is Google Maps, and I'm going to show you how you can start making $200 to $400 per day with nothing but your phone and your laptop. You don't need any previous experience to do this, and you don't even need any money to get started. I will show you absolutely everything in this video. It's super easy to do, and the best part about all of this is that you barely need to do any work because we're going to be using an AI software to do all of the work for us. So let's just jump right into it. All right, so we're over here on the computer, and what we're going to be doing today is helping some small local business owners get found on Google so that they can get more customers for their business. This will work anywhere in the entire world. I'm from the United States, so the example I'm going to be doing today is in the US. But first things first, you want to go onto Google Maps, and we're going to be looking for some local businesses. So this could be home cleaning businesses, dentists, barbers, chiropractors, roofing businesses, construction businesses, literally any type of local business will work. So you want to come over to the search bar and you want to type in the business name that you're choosing. For this example, I'm just going to do a plumber, and then you want to type the city name. So I'm going to do New York. So once this page loads up, you want to scroll down past the sponsored ads, and you're going to start seeing the businesses that are already ranking really high in the search results. So you have Star NYC Plumber and HVAC. They have 76 reviews. You have Wright Plumbing and Heating, 50 reviews, 53 reviews, 42 reviews, 69 reviews. All of these businesses are ranking really high because they have a really good Google business profile. They have a website. They have a good amount of Google reviews. So they're going to be ranking much higher in the search results, and they're really much more likely to get found by customers on Google. Now, the businesses that we're going to be looking for are the ones that aren't ranking high on Google at all. And typically those are going to be much lower in the search results. Typically, they're not going to have a website. Typically, they're going to have low Google reviews. So these are just things that we can look for that might indicate that this business is ranking really low in the search results. We're going to scroll all the way down, and then you're going to start seeing that a lot of these businesses have like less reviews. Some of them don't have websites. Like these two right here don't really have websites. They have a decent bit of Google reviews, but no websites. So we're going to keep scrolling further down. All right, so I just found a really good example. We have 24-Hour Plumbing today. They have 4.9 stars, but they only have 8 Google reviews. And if we scroll a little bit further down, they don't have a phone number connected to their business account, and they don't have a website connected to their business account. So this is a huge problem. They're not going to be ranking high on Google because they don't even have a website or a phone number. So Google sees their account and they see that there's no phone number, no website added. So it's going to push them way further down in the search results, and it's going to prioritize the people that have a lot more Google reviews, or even just have their phone number and website connected to the account. Another thing that they don't have is a lot of pictures and videos. They only really have, I think, 2 or 3. Yeah, they have 2 or 3 pictures on their business profile, which isn't a lot. They can really benefit from just adding a couple more pictures. And the craziest part about this is a lot of business owners don't even know what their Google profile looks like. So this guy might not even know that his website and phone number isn't even connected to the Google profile. Okay, so I just found another example. ADD Plumbing and Mechanical Corp. They have 4.7 stars, and they have only 12 Google reviews. And if you scroll a little bit further down, it says here, claim this business. That means that they did not even claim their Google business profile. So someone else can come in and literally claim their Google profile and take it from them. They also don't even have their website listed, and they only have about, I think, 1 photo added. And also, I just scrolled down to the reviews, and you can see one of these reviews is from 6 years ago. I must say the plumbing jobs that I saw from them was a piece of art. So that's great. This business owner is probably a really good business owner. He provides really good service, but he doesn't even ask for Google reviews because you can see he only has 12. So I'm sure he's had way more than 12 customers over the past 6 years. But the problem is he doesn't ask for Google reviews. He doesn't manage his Google business profile, and he didn't even claim it. So these are all things that are really simple and easy that we can help the business owner fix. And the business owner is going to be more than happy to pay you money because they're going to have a better reputation. They're going to get more customers. And overall, it's going to result in more money for that business owner. So they are more than happy to pay you. And you'd be surprised, there are thousands and thousands of businesses just like these all over the world, all over the country, literally everywhere. And all you need to do to find them is go on Google and scroll to the bottom, because nobody scrolls to the bottom. Nobody goes to page 5, 6 on Google Maps to find a plumber or any other business service. They're going to stay on page 1. So all you got to do is go to those later pages. And what you're going to want to do after that is just call the business owner and say, hey, you know, I saw your business on Google and I noticed there's a lot of problems with your Google business profile. I'd love to help you out with those. And you're going to put together a list, and then you're just going to call them and say, hey, I saw your business on Google. I noticed you were on page like 5. I noticed a lot of problems with your Google business profile, and I'd love to help you out with those. So now that you know how to find these business owners, I'm going to show you how we're going to help them using an AI software that's going to do all of the work for us. All right, so we're in the software now, and the first thing I want to show you guys is this completely done for you website builder. Now, before we jump into the website builder, I just want to let you guys know I have a free course, a completely free setup guide, and a free 30-day trial link down below. So if this is something that you guys want to give a try, you can do that by clicking on the link down below. And I have a full guide. It will take you through literally everything you need to do to get set up. It's really simple and easy to set up. I hold your hand through the entire process, and I show you literally everything you need to know. But now let's get into this website builder. It is actually crazy. So this website builder has all of these completely done for you templates that you can choose from, put the business owner's logo on it, and then sell them the website. So all you have to do is come over here to new website. And now you're going to click from templates and then click on continue. And now all you have to do is type in the business type that you were looking for on Google. So I was doing plumbing. So now I'm going to look for plumbing. And you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different templates just for plumbing. So we'll go with this one. Just click continue, adding the template. All right, so you can see here, we're inside the website template, and it's literally completely done for you. All you need to do is switch out the logo here for the actual business's logo. So you can see it has this full navigation menu up at the top, all of these buttons, all the text is completely done. You have the titles here, you have pictures, services, literally all of this is done. They even have testimonials. And if you scroll down, they have an FAQ section. You can put in the business owner's email, address, and that's literally all you have to do. So you can scroll up. I'll show you how to change the logo. I'll show you how easy this is. You click on the logo. We're going to scroll down here on the left-hand side, all the way down to where it says brand logo. Click on the image button. And now we can upload a file. So all you have to do is click on the image. There it is. This is just an example logo. So once you put the business owner's logo on the website, you're pretty much good to go to sell this to the business owner. Now you can charge $500. You can charge $1,000. You can charge $2,000. You can charge a couple thousand. I've seen people charge crazy amounts for these websites, and it literally takes 5 minutes to set up, not even 5 minutes to set up. And that's just one of the things that we can offer them. Now I'm gonna show you the second part of what we can offer them. Okay, so now the other thing we can offer them, and this part is literally even easier. We're gonna have someone else do the work for us. It's called Google Business Profile Optimization. So if you remember when we were looking at the business owner's Google profile, they didn't have their website added. Some of them didn't have their phone numbers added. Some of them didn't have any of their services added. They didn't have images. All of that stuff can be added to their Google business profile so that they will be ranking higher in the search results. So what we can do is come on something like Fiverr, type in Google Business Optimization, and if you scroll down here, we have people doing it for $5, $10, $15, $20 for them to fully optimize this business owner's Google profile. And we can charge them something like $2, $3, $4, even $500 to get this Google business profile optimized. And we're just gonna pay someone $15, $10, $5 to do it all for us. Now, this is where the AI comes into play. Now, this is probably the coolest feature inside the entire software. We have a fully automatic, on autopilot, conversation AI chatbot. This bot will be able to respond to customers, answer their questions, and book appointments for the business owner completely automatically. They don't need to do anything. And this will work for the business owner's phone number, for the business owner's Instagram, and for the business owner's Facebook. So anytime someone sends a message to any of those channels, this bot will fully take over the conversation. All you have to do to train the chatbot is literally just give it the business owner's website. The AI bot will go on, it will read the entire website, it will learn all about the business, and then it will be ready to go to answer some questions. So now I'm gonna show you a live example of this chatbot in action for a barbershop. So I'm gonna act like I'm a customer for this barbershop and I have a couple questions before I book my haircut appointment. So I'm gonna say, hey, I'm looking to get a haircut. I just have a few questions. Sure, I'd be happy to answer your questions. What would you like to know about our haircuts? So I'm gonna say, do you also do beard trimming as well? Yes, we do offer beard trimming services as well. Our barbers are skilled in various beard styles and can provide you with a precise and well-groomed look. is there anything specific you would like to know about our beard trimming services? So as you can see, this thing is absolutely crazy. It gave a completely fully detailed answer about the question that I had asked about the beard trimming. So now I'm going to say, how long will a haircut plus beard trim take? The duration of haircut plus beard trim can vary depending on the complexity of the style and length of your hair and beard. On average, it usually takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So this thing can save so much time for a business owner because they don't have to sit there answering the phone all day, answering texts all day. They have a chatbot to do it for them. And this bot can even book them appointments. Check this out. So I'm the customer. I asked all my questions and now I'm okay. I'm ready to book an appointment. So I'm going to say, okay, cool. I would like to book an appointment now. It says, perfect, please use this link to book the appointment, and you can switch out any custom booking link that you want. The bot will even send the appointment booking link after the customer asks for it. So the really cool thing about this chatbot is that you can charge business owners monthly to use this bot. So if you're charging a business owner $500 to use it, you can charge them $500 every single month to keep using it. So as you get more clients, your monthly recurring revenue is just going to keep stacking up. And there's not even much work that you have to do. Once you sell this to the business owner, they're going to use it and they're going to love it. And then they're going to keep paying you every single month. So now I got the calculator pulled up. I just want to show you guys how much money you can actually make from doing this. A lot of people don't understand the power of monthly recurring revenue. That is when you pick up a client, like I said, they will keep paying you every single month. So if you completely stop working, you will still be making the same amount of money every single month. So if you were able to pick up just 20 clients times $500 per month, that's $10,000 per month. And that doesn't even include the website. That is for just the chatbot alone. That is not even the website. And this is on complete autopilot. So if you picked up 20 clients and completely just stopped, you're going to be making $10,000 per month every single month. I am telling you guys, this business model is about to absolutely blow up going into 2024. This software is absolutely phenomenal, and you have the ability, the opportunity to make so much money. And on top of that, there are literally hundreds of other features inside this software. I only showed you about 2 or 3. I couldn't fit them all in one video. There are literally hundreds of other features that you can give to these business owners that you could charge even more money for. So grab my free course, watch my YouTube channel, get started, and I'll be here to help you. I have my Discord server. I am constantly answering messages in there. I'm constantly helping people. If you ever run into any issues, I'm there to help you, or my staff is there to help you as well. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or shoot me a message on Discord. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great rest of your day.